Hey guys, today, Jefe Airsoft Solutions. $300 custom mystery box. Now let's get into this. So, if you haven't heard yet, I'm Shadow Dragon. And this box I requested specifically from Jefe himself. If you need anything Airsoft related, it's Jefe Airsoft Solutions. I'm gonna have a link down below. But he's a good guy. He's pretty much a Airsoft player that saw a niche in the business and went to it. Oh, I can't look at that. That's the build list, I'm assuming. Bubble. A thank you card. Please read before use. Oh, I already know what it is. Don't want to look at it. AAP01. I'm assuming these are parts. There we go. Hang on. There you go. Jefe Airsoft Solutions. All sorts of parts up here. Springs. We got Sole Agent in the United States, AAP RMR mount for the upper, right there. A couple of Picatinny rail adapters with the screws. This looks like a upper. Looks like a mag. And here's the gun. All nice and wrapped up. Ooh. This is actually very pretty. That's a complete upper. And I believe it is threaded. Is that threaded? It is threaded. Oh, it is threaded too. And it also has full rail up top. Let's see here. Get that out of the way. So, help to put the mag in correctly. I don't think it is blue. No, it's not blowback. Oh, nope. So, bam. That feels good, actually. That feels really good. And it's actually got dual sight. Well, it's got like a peek window. I don't know if you can see that. There's a peek window here, and then a sight here, and second sight up here. So, and it's got a safety trigger as well, right here. I've never had an AAP01. It's the first one. It's a custom build. So let's see what he actually did, because it's like a dark earth bronze look. So he's got the AAP01 in tan. So I'm assuming that's what that was. This is what he's talking about. The upper rail is a Wheelu. Cannot read that. I'm sorry, dude. Fuku 2 CTM tack. Looks like it's in gold. 180% nozzle and recoil spring. Nice. TTI piston head. RMR mount. And love. So it actually, like, that just feels good. Looks very similar to my Glock mag, but I don't think my Glock mag is going to fit in here. But this is actually really nice. Like, and it's got 2 extra windows here. I don't know if that's meant to go like, hey, you want to shoot slightly that way or slightly that way. I doubt it, but it's very nice feeling. Like, extremely nice. I'm not complaining one bit about this. So, it's got the extra mounts. If I wanted to take back plate off, it's got the original Honestly, I think I'm going to leave that as is because I like the way it looks right now. Just the tan and bronze look. Jefe, I'm going to have to get some more mags now because of you. Because this might become my new primary. It's nice and big. It's not too big though. The grip is like perfect for my hand. Like I don't have an issue with that at all. So, thumb right there. So, yeah, I'm assuming this has blowback here. So, gas blowback airsoft pistol. So it went from looking like that to like that. Jefe, honestly. Damn, bro. Like, it just feels good. Like, everything feels good about it. I am impressed. And I appreciate you leaving the extra parts, though. Like, just having the parts here just in case anything ever does go down. I appreciate it. Seriously. But, yeah. That feels really good. And I love having a threaded adapter here. Because now I can run my tracer unit on it. So, this is what it looks like with. This isn't going to stay on anyway, so I don't know why I'm putting it back on. Yeah, orange tip. Ugly. Without orange tip, so much better. But yeah. Jefe, thank you, bro. This is absolutely gorgeous. So, guys, go check him out. It's JefeAirsoftSolutions.com. And reach out to him, man. Like, he hooked this thing up. I know it's not a huge build list. I mean, it's pretty big to me. I only do like 1 or 2 things to my pistols. My Glock, I only got a inner barrel trigger and a bucket. But this thing just feels good, and I might have changed my mind with AAPO ones just based on this. So guys, this is awesome. Please like, comment, subscribe. In the comments, tell Jefe how amazing this build looks. Because it's got a rail up top and down below. And the sights itself, the sight picture in here, just looks great. So check them out, guys. JefeAirsoftSolutions.com. Put that comment down below. Tell them what you think of this because it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys. Shadow Dragon. We're out.